Good day everyone. So for today's video, we were about to tackle innovation and value proposition, understanding two core building blocks of technopreneurship and applying them to Aquatrack. Aquatrack is a smart water delivery and tracking startup. So let's proceed. So this is our presentation roadmap. What we'll cover is innovation and value proposition, definition, why it's matter, types of innovation, real world example, and key components. So what is innovation? Innovation is the process of improving or creating products, services, or processes that deliver greater value to customers. So it doesn't always mean inventing something entirely new. It can also mean enhancing an existing product, service, or process to better meet customer needs. So in short, innovation isn't all about creating new, but it's all about making better value for customers. It can do in both ways. It's either creating something that didn't exist or improving something that already exists.
What innovation matters in technopreneurship? Competitive advantage. And let's our startup stand out and outform rivals offering similar product or service. Meets involving needs. Keep the business relevant as customer expectation and technology keep changing. Fuel growth and scale. New or New or improve, offering open new markets and revenue stream for expansion. Attracts investor. A clear innovation story signals potential and make a startup move for the ball.
The next one is type of innovation. There are four types of innovation: the product innovation, process, business model, and technological innovation to make your product improve and be one up in the Asia. So the number one is product innovation, creating a new product or upgrading an existing one with better features or design. The second one is process innovation or improving how a product or service is made or delivered faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And the third one is business model innovation. Rethinking how a company creates, delivers, and captures values like subscription or on demand. The fourth one is technological innovation, applying new or existing technology like GPS, AI, mobile apps to solve our problems for customers. And the fourth one, what I have said earlier, a real world example of that is Grab. So Grab began in 2012 as a riding hailing app in Southeast Asia. And because of continuous business model and technological innovation, it evolves into a super app, bundling transport, food delivery, payments, and logistics, all powered by real-time GPS tracking. So, because of this innovation, the Grabs become the super app in the Southeast Asia. And the next one is applied to Aquatrack. So this is what our business. What we are trying to apply the technological innovation, process, innovation, and so on. So the first one is real-time GPS tracking. Customers share their exact location so that the riders find the address instantly instead of relying on verbal direction. And then the second one is optimized delivery routes so that the drivers saving cannot didn't waste the time, and also the fuel can saving the fuel across every step. So and the last one is automated delivery updates. Customers get notified at every step, order confirmed on the way, delivered, replacing manual to follow-up calls. So this is what we are gonna try to apply in our business names Aquatrack, the technological innovation and process innovation. And
Next is value proposition. A value proposition is a clear statement that explains why customers should choose your product or service instead of choosing competitor. It shows that the value that your business offers and benefits customer can expect. A good value proposition answers three important questions. What problem do you solve? Who are your customers and who is your solution better than others? A value proposition is important because it helps business stand out for competitors. First, it creates differentiation, meaning it shows what makes your product unique. Second, it builds trust and loyalty by giving customers confidence in your product or service. Third, it guides strategy because it helps businesses make better decisions in product development, pricing, and marketing. Lastly, it attracts investors since a strong value proposition clearly explains the value and potential of the business. There are four key components of a strong value proposition. The first one is the customer pain point, which identifies the problem or challenge the customer are facing. Second is the target customer, which defines the specific group of people who will benefit from the product or service. Third is your solution, which explains how your product solves the customer's problem. Lastly, differentiation, which highlights what makes your solution better or different from other available options.
Real world example: Netflix. Watch anything, anytime, on any device personalized to you. Netflix replaced rigid TV schedules and late fees with unlimited on-demand streaming and algorithm-driven recommendations built around one clear promise of convenience. Problem solved. Inconvenient TV schedules, late fees, unlimited content choice. Target customer is household wanting flexible, affordable home entertainment. Why it's better? On-demand access, no ads, and standard plans, personalized suggestions. Applied to Aquatrack. Aquatrack gives water refilling station and their customer a safe, dependable, and on-time delivery experience through real-time location tracking. Problem: water deliveries booked by phone are slow, hard to track, and often delayed, leaving customers uncertain when their water will arrive. Customers, water refilling stations, owners, and household or office who order refills regularly and want reliable, on-time service. Why better? Live GPS tracking, optimized routing, delivery notifications, and analytics give Aquatrack an edge competition. Relying on manual dispatch can't match.
Aquatrack at a glance. A smart water delivery tracking and platform that pairs technology innovation with sharp value proposition, safety, dependability, and speed for water refilling station and their customers. So the real-time tracking, it track deliveries live on a map. So next is optimize routes. It saves time and fuel with smart routing. Third is delivery updates. It notified at every delivery step. The last is reports and analytics. It monitors performance with useful insight. So our vision is to become the leading smart water delivery platform and make clean water more accessible through innovative location tracking technology. And our mission is to provide a convenient ordering platform, reduce delivery delays, and continuously innovate for safe, dependable water delivery. So next is key takeaways. So the first is innovation isn't only about inventing something new. Improving an existing product, services, or process counts. Next is value proposition answers what problem you solve, who you solve it for, and why your solution wins. So the last is together they turn a good idea into a business customers actually choose, as seen in Aquatrax used for real-time tracking to earn trust. So these are our references.